Our today's question is this one. Now, if you look at the question, then it looks to be a question of circle. But this is actually a combination of circle and similar triangles. We'll see. The question is, PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. The tangents at P and Q intersect at T. Find the length of P. You have to find out the length of PT. Now this diagram was not there. So this diagram I have drawn. So what is there? This is the external point T. So from T there are two tangents, TP and TQ. This P and Q are the intersecting point. O is the center of the circle. Okay, this is what is given, and they have told what is given. Given to us is the radius OP is equal to 5 centimeter. This OP is the radius which is given 5 centimeter. Now, if we look at this sum, what is OP? Radius. What is PT? Tangent. We know a tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius. So this angle is 90 degree. Again, QT is a tangent and OQ is a radius. So tangent and this is perpendicular. A tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius. This idea we have. Now if we look into these two triangles, triangle PTQ, if you just have a look at this triangle, which is divided by this line TR, we know that this angle is equal to this angle. By theorem, we know these angles are equal. We know the length of the tangent from external point to a circle are equal. TP is equal to TQ. So these two sides are equal, we know. And this angle is equal to this angle, we know, because this becomes an angular bisector. And this TR is the common side. So if this is common and these two sides are equal, these two angles are equal. So I can say triangle PTR is congruent to triangle QTR. Can I say this? How? This side is equal to this side, this angle is equal to this angle, and this side is common. So side, angle, side, triangles are congruent. So they are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then what I can say about this? Then if these two triangles are congruent, then I can say this side will be equal to this side. These two sides will be equal. PR will be equal to TR, and these two angles will be same. So each angle will be equal to 90 degree, right? So if I get these two triangles congruent, then I can say PR will be equals to QR, and TR will be perpendicular to PQ. This is CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Okay, so I got this is perpendicular. I got this PR is equal to RQ. Since it is given the length of the tangent, length of the chord as 8, so PQ is given 8 centimeter. Since PQ is given 8 centimeter, since R is the midpoint, PR is equal to RQ. So I can say PR is equal to QR will be equals to 4 centimeter each. This is 4, this much is 4. Now if we look into in right triangle ORP, this right angle triangle, because since this is 90, so this is 90. So in this right angle triangle ORP, this side is 5, this side is 4. So if I apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, so what I'll get? I'll get OP square is equal to OR square plus PR square. So OP is 5, so 5 square is equal to OR square plus 4 square. So from here I am getting OR square is equal to OR square, this will come this side, 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16, so it is 9. So which gives me OR is equal to 3. This OR is 3. So this much I got 3 OR. Now let's have a look in right triangle OPT and right triangle ORP. I'm taking two triangles. One is OPT, this bigger triangle, OPT, and I'm taking this smaller triangle, ORP, this triangle. This small triangle and the big triangle. If you look at this big triangle and this small triangle. In the big triangle, this angle is 90. In the small triangle, this angle is 90. And this angle is common to both. So since two angles are same, so I can say triangle OPT is similar to triangle ORP. They will be similar by angle criterion. They are similar. And if they are similar, then their sides will be proportional. Now, OPT in the big triangle, I am taking the side PT. So which side is PT? So this is PT for the big triangle is the triangle which contains the 90 degree and the angle which I am not taking into use in this particular similarity. So this angle is 90. So the corresponding side in case of this triangle will be which one? It will be equals to PR. One side 90, other side is that other angle which we are not using it. This is equals to, in the big triangle, we are taking OP. Big triangle OP, what is OP? It is that side which contains the common angle and the 90 degree. So the corresponding side in the smaller triangle will be that side which has got 90 at one end and common angle. So that side will be OR. So OR. So PT is equal to, we'll cross multiply OP by OR into PR. OP value is given 5. PR, value of PR we have done 4 centimeter, 4. Value of OR we have calculated 3. So this is equals to 20 by 3. Therefore, length of tangent, PT is the length of tangent. So length of tangent is equal to 20 by 3 centimeter. So this is a combination of circle as well as similar triangles. I'll give you another question, similar type, which you try and leave your answer in the comment.